Hey, how you doing, everyone? Back today. Do a nice movie box, movie collector's edition unboxing. It's out of print, and it is Inglorious Basterds, Universal. And this is the outside of the box. Obviously, that's the front. That's the back. Pretty cool. Side. That side. Nothing on top or bottom, so I'm going to open it up. And take these out so I can show you the box itself, the inside. Nothing over there. That's just pretty nice, right? And I'll put that aside. And you get not one 4K Blu-ray set, but two. So here's the first one. It's the outer box. Pretty cool. And here's the other side. There's the, I can get the glare off. There's the spine. Right, so I'll open this up, and you get a bunch of collector cards, and you get the set itself. I'll open that up. And I'll take the discs out so I can show you the whole thing. Nice interior artwork. Right. And like I said, you get your 4K. Get your Blu-ray. I'll put those back in. And let's see what the little collection is here. Alright, so the first thing you get is a booklet. Front, back, there's nothing really, just a red. And let's see. And it's basically stills of the movie. But nice and glossy. And if any of you have never seen this movie, it's a great movie. It's one of Quentin Tarantino's best. The girl in it, Melanie Laurent, she's a really good actress, and she's beautiful. And Diane Kruger's in it. Michael Fassbender's in it, Brad Pitt, Christoph Waltz, who won the Academy Award for this. Now this set, I've seen it going for $150, $160. So obviously you have to really like the movie, but I showed you that one, right? But it's a great set, and if you've never seen the movie, I guarantee after you've watched it, you'll love it. So maybe you want to rent it, make sure you like it first. Oop. Okay, so that is the booklet, and you get collector cards. Take a look at those. Oh, so you not only get collector cards, I'll show you in a minute. Same backing on all of them. So, first one. just 4 in here. You not only get that, but you get a little stack of playing cards. I'll try to character playing cards. See how beautiful she is? Melanie Laurent. It's Eli Roth. Diane Kruger. I forget that actor's name. Michael Fassbender. And Daniel Bruhl, he's in it too. He plays Baron Zemo in the Marvel films. Okay, so put those away. Yeah, so they give you a lot for your money. When I don't know what it cost when it came out originally, but and here's the second set, which has got, I think, a much better box. And I'll tell you why. Because of that. Look at that. Oh my God, both of them, beautiful. And the same thing, 4K. Blu-ray. Oh. Inside art. The outside art. And we'll see what goodies we get in here. Basically the same type of goodies, but different. We get a booklet. And this one has text about the movie. So it's not just cards, it's text also. I'll just jump to the pictures. That. And this movie came out originally in 2009. Can't believe that much time has passed, 14 years, but it has. But it's a great movie. Definitely one of his best. I like that. That's a nice shot there. Okay, so that's the booklet. And another set of cards. I'll open this up. Let's see. More character cards and more playing cards. So here's the character cards. The packing's the same on all of them. Okay. And these are duplicates of the cards that they were using in the card game that wound up into a shootout. And these are what they wrote on the cards because they were playing a game, a guessing game. Get that glare off there if I can. This is what they actually wrote on the card that they were playing with. So, yeah. So, and yeah, that's it. That's the set. All the goodies that come in it. So, if you really love this movie, I would highly recommend you getting the set, even though it's out of print. These collector sets go out of print fast, so that's why you have to jump on. I try to jump on these if I really love the movie before they go out of print, so you spend less money. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed seeing that, and until next time, take care.